Hey, do you want to learn how to sell other people's products to make money? Let me tell you about affiliate marketing in this next video. Now, before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe, and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. So you want to find a way to make money on the internet? One way is to sell other people's products. Now, we all know you can sell your own products, but that takes a lot of time and a lot of money, and keeping track of items and shipments and all those things. Why bother with that when you can just sell other people's things? That basically is what affiliate marketing is. Now, one of the most important things about affiliate marketing that you need to know is that in order to do it, you probably need to get a website, somewhere where you can advertise other people's products. If you're interested, I've got several domain hosts that have decent prices on web hosting. If you want to check that out, HindeSights.com. I'll give you some direction on where to go as far as where to get a website set up. Essentially, if you have a website, you can put advertisements there and just direct traffic to that website. And that's how affiliate marketing really works, is that you are basically an advertiser for a marketer's product. And the best way to do that really is with a website. There's social media that works too, but the predominant method of netting sales with affiliate marketing usually happens with a website. Now, one of the best advantages about selling other people's products is you don't have to handle any inventory whatsoever. Basically, it's just a link to the seller's page, so you're directing traffic to them to be able to buy a product. Because if you were to have your own products, you'd have to have an inventory, you'd have to keep stock on hand, you'd have to put money out to have this available, and if you did like a drop shipping service, you still would have to track in people who are purchasing things and ordering them through the drop ship company and then having them shipped. It's a lot of extra stuff. Affiliate marketing takes a lot of that extra work out of the picture. You don't have to do any of that. You basically are just directing traffic. Now, there's a few different types of traffic. Now, to be able to sell products, you have to know where to go to be able to be a marketer of those products, and there's several different types of affiliate marketing programs and platforms. A few of those I can tell you about are ClickBank, Commission Junction, Share a Sale. Go check out HindeSights.com, and there's a list of those and the resources that get you started on signing up for those. Most of them are free to join. You can sign up and start advertising products right away. Even if you've got a pre-existing website, it's pretty easy to download some HTML and embed it into your website and have an ad up and running. Now, there's also different types of income that comes with affiliate marketing that you have to be aware of. Traditionally, most of the income comes from commissions. And basically what this means, if someone is at your website and clicks on an ad and then goes to a business's website and then makes a purchase, then you get part of that purchase price as a commission. There's also a pay-per-click, a pay-per-sale, and pay-for-lead. Basically, pay-per-sale is the same thing, it's a commission, but pay-per-click, basically if you get someone to click onto an ad banner or gets to a site, you sometimes can make income on that. Usually it's not very much. Sometimes it's as much as 5 cents or even a cent. It's just the fact that you're getting eyes onto a product or to a business's website. The other one is a pay-per-lead. A lot of businesses see a potential customer as an investment as well. Someone who is interested in a product may buy many products or have a lifetime value in the services or product they may buy in the future. You may get paid for that. Sometimes it's $1 for a lead. Sometimes it's as much as $25 for a lead. It just depends on the product. Not all affiliate marketing programs have these. Traditionally, most of them just have the commission. So like I said, this is probably the best and easiest way to be able to make money online is through affiliate marketing, because you don't have to have any product, you don't have to shell out a whole bunch of money, it's relatively easy to get started, you get to sell other people's products. If you have your business up and running and you want to speak intelligently about some of these products, you can go ahead and you can even buy some of these products, and if you're running an LLC or whatever you're doing, you can count those purchases as a tax deduction because it's buying it for the purpose of your business. And you can see what the product is like to be able to tell people about it. So other than just an advertisement, you can actually have a review or give your opinion on what you feel about the product and whether or not it's good for a potential customer. So hey, thanks for listening. I'd like to hear if you have any ideas for a product that you would like to market. Please put that in the comments below. Again, there's additional resources at HindeSights.com. Hope you visit the page, find out more. Thank you. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.